Okay, so today in this video, I'm going to show you how I create master prompt for all kinds of AI fruit videos. So if you know me guys, I basically create all kinds of tutorials on how you can create AI fruit videos that you see everywhere on TikTok, Instagram and whatnot. So today in this video, I'm going to share you my secret on how I create tons of master prompts that you guys absolutely love so much. And a lot of you guys were requesting to create a tutorial on how I basically, managed to create those master prompts. So today I'm going to show you exactly that step-by-step process. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so first of all, for this video, we're going to be taking this video example. So this kind of AI fruit video is going really viral on TikTok. So it's basically kind of, AI fruit version, but instead of AI fruits, we have a key and a lock. So, the black key is called as Nigi. Yeah, it's pretty funny, but this is how it is called. So we're gonna go ahead and take this video as a reference, and at the end of the video I'm gonna show you how you'll be able to generate this whole master prompt with the help of just this reference video. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply gonna go ahead and download this video, and then the next step is you need to go ahead and go to Google Gemini. Start by simply pasting your video that you downloaded right over here, like upload your video in Google Gemini, and then you're gonna type in your prompt that can you analyze this video and tell me the story and characters of this video, also exact dialogues used in the video. Okay, so yeah, you can basically use this prompt to any video that you see on TikTok, on Instagram. Like it could be of any niche, like even if it is not of AI fruit videos, this prompt is gonna help you basically break down all the scenes, like the story and the dialogues from any video that you want. Okay, so then I'm gonna go ahead and hit enter. All right, so after that, as you guys can see, it has basically broken down the characters, the story and exact dialogues that has been used in this video. So with the help of this, we can basically go ahead and recreate this as it is, but we don't have to do that because we want to go ahead and basically take this niche and create our own characters if you want, or create your own story if you want. That's totally up to you. So for that, actually we use master prompt, and I'm going to show you exactly how you do that. So after your this prompt, in the same chat you have to input your next prompt, which is, now I want to go ahead and generate this story. So I'll do it with like 2 steps. First, generating images, like breaking down all the scenes that are present in the video, every single one of them, and then converting those images into videos. So kindly go ahead and analyze the story, then generate me image prompts in JSON format, because we always, you guys know, generate videos and images in JSON format, because if you want to go ahead and do that in Google Gemini, JSON format is basically very precise. It helps you narrow down all the important instructions so that your images and videos come out absolutely perfect. So yeah, this is the prompt that I'm gonna input. Provide each prompt in separate tabs, not all in one, and images would be 9:16 aspect ratio, which is vertical, because obviously in TikTok and Instagram we always do the vertical 9:16 aspect ratio. Okay, so after that I'm gonna go ahead and submit this prompt. And mind you guys, these all prompts are just rough prompts. Like I basically just frankly talk to Gemini in my own words. You don't have to be precise with it. You can use your own wordings and everything. This is just my basic rough method, through which I was able to generate all of these master prompt that I share with you guys in every single one of my videos. Okay, so after that, as you guys can see, it has basically broken down the scenes like it was before, and then after that we have scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, all the way till scene 11. Okay, so now we have all of our images prompts ready with us, just like that. Okay, so after that, you're gonna go ahead and be doing the exact steps that I'm gonna show you. So after that, what you need to do is you're gonna input the prompts for the video prompts that you wanna have with Google Gemini. So you're gonna type in that. Now provide me all the video prompts of this, again in separate tabs with dialogues and everything. Make sure the dialogues are exact same as in reference video, also the accent and everything. So why I'm doing in exact dialogues, I'm gonna tell you in a moment. We won't be recreating this as it is. We will change it in the master prompt that I'll be generating in the end. So these all steps are really important to generate your master prompt. So kindly please guys bear with me for a moment. Okay, so after I'm gonna go ahead and input this dialogue, so it's gonna go ahead and generate the video prompts for me one by one. So we had like 11 images, 11 scenes. So for that, it had basically created 11 video prompts for me as it is, which looks really good. Okay, so now everything is done. Our image prompts are done, our video prompts are done. From now you can basically go ahead and create these images and videos with the help of Google Gemini and Google VEO3 inside of Flow. But no, we're not gonna be doing that because we want to recreate this exact same niche, like with our own characters. If you want to have same characters, you can recreate that with your own story, okay? Like, so there are so many possibilities in that. So after that, what you need to input is you need to input a long prompt, because now it has story of everything. It has your whole reference of what work you have done in this whole chat. So it knows what the story is. It knows, like, what kind of prompts it has to generate. It knows what kind of dialogues, because it is familiar with the whole niche. Okay, so after that, in the same chat, we can input a long prompt of describing like what exactly we want, how our master prompt is gonna be. So for that, again, I wasn't like precise with anything at all. I just inputted my rough prompt, which is this. Okay, so all right, so everything looks good over here. Just you have to do one thing. Now I want to go ahead and create basically a master prompt. So what is going to do is going to basically go ahead and have different phases like we did before. So phase one is going to ask for the story, like it's going to ask for what kind of. So you guys can see it's really rough prompt, because what I did, I simply press and hold Windows H with me, and it enabled like speech to text for me, and I simply started speaking into my mic, and everything it started writing right over here. So I basically input everything inside of that, like what I want, how my master prompt is gonna be, what information it would have. So again, if you want these, like my input prompts, you can comment down below. I will provide that to you. It's not a problem. So after that, you have basically inputted all the description of your master prompt. Simply need to go ahead and submit it. So yeah, here you go, guys. Our master prompt is being generated. So it is saying here's a comprehensive master prompt tailored specifically for generating these kind of key and log Niggy the Player viral short form animated series. So yeah, take a look at this, you guys. Right, it is absolutely perfect. It is ready, but still, if we want like some more changes into that, we can like literally type it over here. So for now, I think this master prompt is not looking complete. So how we can do that, we can simply write down our changes into the next chat, like this master prompt doesn't appear to be complete and is lacking information. Make it as detailed as possible. I'm gonna submit it once again, and let's just see this time. Okay, so now this looks a bit promising to me. So once your master prompt is done and complete, so the next step is obviously you need to go ahead and start testing this out, whether this looks legit or not. So what you need to do is you need to simply copy the whole thing. Make sure you just paste it out in a new Google Docs so that it is safe with you, like that. So that this is the exactly thing that I share with you guys in every single. Okay, there's no gatekeeping over here at all. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and start testing it out real quickly. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go inside of the tab Google Gemini, simply copy paste my whole master prompt right over here, click on submit. Okay, so it's saying, are you ready to jump into the phase one explore story concepts of Niggy? I'm gonna say yes. So quickly test this out to see if it actually works or not. Okay, so first of all, it has started giving me the concepts, which looks promising for now. It's going great. So let's just say from here, I'm gonna select my concept one. Okay, so after that, it has started our phase two, in which it has broken down all the scenes for us till the scene 8. Okay, so far so good. And after that is asking, should I jump into phase 3? I'm gonna say yes. Phase 3. Okay, let's just see after that. Okay, so after that, after a few tries, because it was directly generating me images which I do not want, so I said phase 3, do not generate the images, only give me image prompts. So now we have all the image prompts ready with us till the scene 8, which looks promising now as well. Then we're gonna say phase 4. Okay, so yeah, the dialogues looks really good. You guys can see over here we have everything as it is, the dialogues, the scene title, the character breakdown, everything looks absolutely promising. So this is how just like that, I basically was able to generate this whole master prompt, which you can see in this document of this particular niche right over here. And yeah, I do test it out. So these were my generations, which I want to share with you guys. So these were the images that I created with one of the images from that I was able to get with the master prompt. So you guys can see it looks very promising. And after that, I basically used the same method. I used 4 different accounts of Google Flow to generate my 11 or 10 scenes. So 3 videos in one account, and 3 videos in other account, 3 videos in the other account, and finally 2 videos in my last account. Okay, so in total there were 11 videos I generated, and this were the results. Like, take a look at this quickly.
Beat me if I'm wrong, but you can see me perfectly.
I'm completely blind, Niggy.
So what that mean?
Yeah, that looks good. And then after that, this is the another. Take a look at this.
Are you still there?
Right here.
Let's start.
All right, so after that, what I did, I simply downloaded all the clips with me right over here, you guys can see, and simply edited them together in CapCut this time. So, this is totally free, don't need any subscription for that, and simply inputted my background music as usual, and this is how my final output turned out.
Beat me if I'm wrong, but you can see me perfectly.
I'm completely blind, Nigi.
So what that mean?
Are you still there?
Right here.
Okay, let's start. Where are your lips? 2 lines. I cannot see them, but I can feel them.
Beat me if I'm wrong, but you're a runner.
Fool, I'm in a wheelchair.
So what that mean?
You actually picked me up. Never left anyone in a wheelchair. He picked me up. And now look at me. Worth it.
Beat me if I'm wrong, but you can speak. So what that mean? I feel like we really connect, like there is something here. You feel that? Exactly what I said.
Healthy Blacklock babies, all 4 Kevons. I have delivered 17 of his babies this month. I need a holiday.
So yeah, there you have it, guys. So in this video, I basically, show you the complete process, how I create my master prompt for literally any AI video, any AI niche. So this is applicable on all, okay? So these steps, do follow them. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below. If you want prompts, you can comment down below as well. So yeah, that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to directly message me, you can do that on Instagram at aizenstudios.yt. Until then, take care, you guys. Bye-bye.